Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the wind chasing puppy set in Heartopia game during the Maltese update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So there is a new event in Heartopia X Maltese, and then if you want to get the set, you can go to the event menu. Okay, and you will see a new set here, which is called the Wind Chasing Puppy set. And if you want to get them guys, you need to have this thank you card, and to get the thank you card you need to have this group exhibition vote. You can get them by purchasing with the hard diamond, but don't worry, if you don't have the hard diamond, there's still another way to get the thank you card. So just go to the exchange store and then scroll down, and you can buy the thank you card with your wishing star, and you can use the wishing star to buy the set or to unlock the set. You can buy them one by one, but of course you need to have a lot of wishing stars to buy the set. And there is another version of the wind chasing puppy set. This one is the light version, and the second one is the radiant version. The method is same guys. You need to have the thank you card, and you can use the thank you card to buy the items from this set. But again, you can use the wishing star to buy them. So you can farm the wishing star to get the set. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the wind chasing puppy set in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.